Good morning, and welcome back to the Social Stack 66-Day Challenge. Get started in social media. I'm Amy Stack, and today is day 24 of our challenge. Set up your Instagram business profile. In this challenge, I will show you how to add your profile photo, website, bio, address, and your contact button. Before we do that, if this is your first time here and you want to learn more about marketing and social media for business, start now by subscribing to my channel. Just click the red subscribe button and then the bell icon. Let's get started. Go ahead and mirror my screen again. Okay. So you want to open your Instagram app. Then tap your profile image in the bottom right corner. If you aren't already on your profile. If you're logged into another app or another profile, you can tap the profile name at the top and choose your business account from the options that pop up. So you can see at the top it says the.social stack here. If I wanted to go into a different account, I would just tap that, and then you can see all my other accounts are now available. I want to stay in the one that I'm in. So once you're on the correct account, go ahead and tap Edit in the middle of the screen, the Edit Profile button. And then to start, the first thing, I said we would go over is the change your photo. So you can see it just says change profile photo. You tap on that, and then you have a few options here. So you can remove it, import one from Facebook. You can take a fresh one or choose from your library. So if you choose from your library, that's actually going to open your camera roll right on your phone. So you can see there's a few different options, whatever you have in your camera roll already. I'm just going to hit cancel because I want to keep mine the same, but you would select the photo you want and then hit done and it'll pop right in there. Pretty simple. If for some reason you want to change the name from when you originally set it up, you just tap on name and you can rename your account, and this is what people can use to search you by. So this doesn't have to be your username, but it could be like if you're a realtor, you put your name in here, and then you could have your username be something else if you want to. Same thing with businesses. I recommend making it whatever you think people are most likely to search for you by is what you want your name to be in there. Then your username, you can go ahead and tap that. If you want to change it, again, you just tap right in there, and if there's somebody else already using the username you selected, you'll get a little error message. If not, you'll just be able to hit done and continue on with the username you've entered in there. You just want to make sure you're not doing this too many times because it'll get hard for people to either find you or to know that you've changed your name, so when they go to look through their feed, they might not know that it's you that's posting. And then I'm just going to hit back, but you would hit done once you've updated that. The next thing, of course, is your website. Pretty simple. You're just going to tap on website there, and you can type in the information that you want to put in there. So I have my YouTube channel in here. You could link it to your actual website if you have one. You could link it to, Facebook. I'm pretty sure it won't let you link to Snapchat. They got rid of that because that's their competitor. But you can link it to whatever website makes the most sense for you. This is the only clickable link that you'll have in your Instagram account other than that contact button until you get that 10,000 follower mark. Okay? So go ahead and put your website in there. And then you can tap bio, and you can add a little bio in there. You can see that it is limited to a certain amount of characters. So 150 characters is your total. I'm going to go ahead and paste mine back in there. So it's just going to be a short clip of your bio. It won't be your full one. But it will let people know why they should follow you and what's in it for them. So you're going to put a short little value proposition and how you can benefit people by having them follow your account. Then in public business information, the tap down, this section here, this public business information section. Oh, my screen's falling asleep here. All right, so in the public business information section, just tap the contact option. You can see I have mine set up as email. And you can add your own contact. So I have my email in there. If you want to add a phone number or an address, you can put all of those in there. So we will go over some of the other buttons, like this action button, a little later in the challenge. So right now we want to focus on getting your email, phone number, and business address in there. And you can clearly see here I only have one. So it is up to you how much you want to include. This is for the public to have access to. Once you've done that, go ahead and let me know in the comments what contact categories you added, if you did email, phone, or address, or all of it. And then that's it for today. You've now got your Instagram business profile set up so people can easily learn about and contact you. So that's going to conclude our training for the day. Remember to join me tomorrow at 7:30 a.m. Central Time for our next challenge. We're going to go over connecting your Instagram account to your Facebook page. I'll see you then.